What's happening today? Today's tutorial, we're just going to go over how to clear out the white background in a JPEG so that our images or our logos are able to turn into a PNG or a transparent background, basically taking out this white. So the first thing we've done is just loaded up our logo here, and basically it's a JPEG as it is now. The first thing you're going to want to do is to take the layer out of background mode. So as you can see here, actually right now there's a little lock here. It's basically saying that it's in a background. You're going to want to bring it to a layer. So bringing it to a layer, let's go over to our tools and select the magic wand tool, which is basically going to allow us to select all this white background space. So just one at a time, let's select the background, delete. You'll see that all of it's become transparent except for in between these letters here. So we'll just go in and manually select these. The other way is you can select them and then just hold the shift key and select multiple areas that you're able to take out at once. So let's clear this up. And what you'll see here, guys, is that basically all of the interior here has been saved. So let's just save this as a PNG and let's open it up so that we can see how the background has basically been cleared out. So just right here, the file's been saved. Let's open it up and you'll see here that there's no more white background. Alright guys, that's how you clear out an image in Adobe Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial and we'll be back soon.